Nice. Alright, there's temperature on here as well. That's good to know. So the sensor in there is temp and humidity. So we get to 85. And then it starts going. Right, so the set humidity is 85, actual humidity is 79, so that should stop pretty soon. And as you can hear, the fans have kicked into gear, and you can hear it's pulling water already. Nothing leaking out of that. Ooh, and if we go into here, we can see we have humidity. Woo-wee! And across to our T section here, which will be up like that. And I'll have another run coming from this T all the way down with perforations in. And it'll make a nice bit of humidity. Beautiful stuff. Let's see what humidity we're at now. So it's come up to 80 already. And put it back to 80. And it's stopped. Fans are still going now. Which is interesting. Oh, there we go. Now they've stopped.